We're now here in Marina. English pa more. Andito kami ngayon sa gym ni Marina. Marina, di ba you have a vlog?
Hello, marinasangabriel.com. Hello. Ayan,
ang ganda ng gym niya. Actually, ang ganda ng bahay nila. With our friends. Ayan si Kim na wala pang tulog at wala pang kain at hinihintay yung pizza dahil gutom na siya ngayon. Yun talaga pinunta niya dito. Wala siyang practice. Gusto lang niya makikain. So we are now here sa gym nila. Super ganda ng place. Talagang may inspire ka talaga mag-gym kasi you can see a lot of bodybuilders. Parang sikat to, diba? Sino to? Marina?
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Si Arnold Schwarzenegger, no? Pero iba na ating katawan niya ngayon. So Marina, whoa! I wanna know how to do this, oh.
Which one?
The ball.
The ball? Okay.
How to do that? So you need to do that? Oh my God.
In and then out.
Oh, you're so good.
Your turn.
Siguro kaya ko, but I can't yung gano'n.
Sige.
This is so hard. Kasi ang dulas niya. Wait. Huh? I can't. Super nakakapagod here as in sweating like hell, darling. But I want to try all this stuff because I want to get fit. I want to grow muscles and everything like that stuff. Woo! Kakain na kami! Yeah! Yeah! Yes! Kim! Magagalawang wraps! I love it! Is that... Oh, I love... Ang tawag dyan ulit? Mojos! Oh my God! Dati friend namin yung isang manager ng Mojo, ng Shakey's. So pag pupunta ako sa kanila, may Mojos na talagang pang malakasan. Kagabi, we went to a burger place. We went to a burger place. Meron silang malaking burger.
Anong burger?
670 lang, around BF.
Nato ko yung dish na there.
Harap, grabe. Oh my God, I'm sweating like hell. Kaya pala you're so healthy, Marina, because you have a gym. Kaya pala ang name mo sa group natin ay Healthy Baby. Tapos ang pangalan ko, Manager. Manager. Ganda na lang attire mo ngayon. What are you wearing now?
I'm wearing River Island.
Oh! And how about the bottom?
How about your underwear?
How about your bra?
It's from Tabi-Tabi.
Woo! Wala rin naman nakakita niya, kaya okay lang.
Okay.
How about you, Mitch? What are you wearing?
There's no brand.
There's no brand. It's brandless. It's okay. I don't have brand din eh. Actually, this one is Eberbelena. Ito, Avon to. Tapos ito, Natasha. Charot. Oh my God. Swearing like hell. Pinakain mo lang ako para masulit natin yung ano.
Actually, asan si Nel?
Parang iba yung Mojos niya. Parang ang laki now. Dati kasi maliit lang eh. Parang 1 bite lang yun. Parang 3 bites na. Wait, we will eat lang ah. Ayoko na mag-vlog ng kumakain kasi it's like nakakaingit, diba? So, yeah. Si Nelson pala yung partner ko sa Saint, so we're going to do the Saint together. I'm going to be his coach and he's going to be my student. Ata, I mean, we haven't watched the scene yet eh. So Nelson, give it up. Ba't ka nahihiya? You just did it earlier. English pa more. Ayun na, harap na oh. Oh my God! You make it seem so easy. Char! Ilang mga ganyan yung kaya mo, Nelson?
4 sets ng 20.
Since when did you start working out?
18 years old. 18 years old ako.
And so what's the come out?
Okay naman.
Flex.
Can we see it?
Okay naman.
Ah, shit! Nelson, ano ng statistics? Meron pa rin kaya? Oh! I wanna try. Abot ko pala siya. Can I?
There you go.
Wait lang.
Cross mo yung paa mo. Bubuhatin ko nga eh. Cross mo yung paa mo.
Hold it here.
Sakit!
Kalasin mo na.
Dati hindi mo kaya yung ganon. But now kaya mo na. Wow, cute naman ng armpit. Sige. Ba't parang nakilig si Mitch?
Bakit ako nga? Nagkatawa ako sa'yo.
Oh, go push. Oh, dahan-dahan lang ka masubsob. Nasubsob na nga. Ako gusto ko din i-try.
Try mo nun.
Like, hawakan mo to. Girl! Girl, no!
Sagad. Sagad.
Go down, go down.
Sagad. Go down ba?
Girl, hindi susubsob ako. I know my body
Spike
well.
it up.
I know my body well. Susubsob ako. Like that, oh.
Balik. Balik ka, balik ka.
Ano kaya? Pag hindi ka kaya, pabalik pa. Basayin mo na lang ito. Very barbell. Pang-massage. Maraming tennis, ah. Okay, this is a new way of doing this.
Yan, yan. Yan.
Pakulinis! Ang sarap naman mag-gym. Na-inspire naman ako. Yes! Sabi ni Nelson na hiya daw siya mag-workout. Pero ngayon, iniisa-isa na po niya yung mga equipment, no? Mukhang balak pang dito mag-enroll.
Magtapat na tapat.
Lapit pa.
Sige pa.
Go down. Go up. Go down. Go up. Go down.
Okay na.
Sige nga.